6 approximations. What is the first one? 34 into 5 or 34 multiplied by 5. We are getting how much? 170 or not? Next, square root of 8 means 3. 9 means actually 3. 3 into 15, 45 plus 45 not? 170 plus 45. 215. Next question number 57. First priority is what percent of 1050? This one we written something by 10 into how much value? 105 into 64 divided by 8. That is equal to how much? 5040. 8 almost how many times? 8 times. 8 6 how much? 48. What is the remaining? 24 means 30. Okay, 105 and 630. 5 how many times? 2 times. 5 how many times? 21. And 21 almost 30 times. Then answer 60. Next question number 58. 60% of 380 divided by 40% of something. It is equal to which one? 15. 15 almost how many times? 60. 4 times. 4 how many times? 40. 10 times. 0 0 cancel. What is the remaining? 38. Next 59. First one is how much? 713. Second one 33. 33. Total it is 746 minus 96 divided by 16. 16 how many times? 6 times. 746 minus 6. 740. Next question number 60. First priority 101 divided by how much? 34. 34 almost 3 times plus 14 into 9. How much? 126. Total it is 129. What is the nearest value? 130. Next. Quadratic equations. Question number 36. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. Coefficient of y square? 3. What is the LCM of 2, 3? 6. Means x roots multiplied by 3 times, y roots multiplied by 2 times. 2 into 15, 30. Means 6 into 5. Then 1 will be minus 6, another one are minus 5. Second one, 3 5 is how much? 15. 1 is minus 3, another one minus 5. What are the final roots? 18 and 15. Second one 6 and 10. Answer x is greater than y. Next question number 37. X square equal to 9, x equal to plus r minus 3. Y square minus 7y plus 12. 4 and 3. What is the y final roots? Plus 4 plus 3. Okay. First 3 compared to 4 less than. 3 compared to 3 equal. Minus 3 compared to positive 4 and positive 3 less than or. What is the overall relation? X less than or equal to y. Next 38. X square, what is the coefficient of x square? 1, but coefficient of y square 3. Means x roots multiplied by 3 times or. What is the first one product? 6. Sum is how much? 5. 1 will be plus 3, another one are plus 2 or. Second one 3 8 is how much? 24. 24 means 6 into 4. 1 is plus 6, another one plus 4 or. What are the final roots? Minus 9, minus 6 or. Another one minus 6, minus 4 or. Okay. Minus 9 compared to minus 6 and minus 4. Less than or greater than? Less than. Minus 6 compared to minus 6 equal. Minus 6 and minus 4 less than or. What is the overall relation? X less than or equal to y. Next question number 39. What is the coefficient of x square? 2. Coefficient of y square also 2. Equal coefficients are. Then directly we return factors are. 2 into 21, 42 means 14 into 3. One is plus 14, another one are plus 3. Then directly we return final roots are. Second one 2 3 is how much? 6. then 1 will be plus 2, another one are plus 300. Okay, 14 compared to 2 comma 3 greater, 3 compared to 2 comma 3, one case greater, another case equal. What is the answer? Greater than or equal to. Next question number 40. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. But coefficient of y square? 2. Means x roots multiplied by 2 times or not. What is the first one product? 20. But sum is minus 900. Then one will be minus 4. Another one are minus 5. Second one 2 into 45. 90. 10 and 9. One will be minus 10. Another one are minus 900. What are the final roots? 8 and 10. Another one 10 comma 9. 8 compared to 10 less than. 8 compared to 9 less than 100. 10 compared to 9 greater than 100. Opposite symbols, answer is no relation 100. Next question number 41. 41 to 45. Based on the following table, answer the given questions. And Saturday total number of tickets are sold 3,800. The number of children tickets sold are 1950. And note is given the tickets are sold in two categories only. One is children, another one adult. Out of 3,800, 1950 are which one? Children. Subtracting, we are get the adult. Okay. And what is the first question? What is the difference between the number of adult tickets sold on Saturday and that sold on Wednesday? And one is Saturday. Saturday total how many tickets? 3,800. In that number of children are 1950. Subtracting 1850. Those are in adult tickets on Saturday. Again Wednesday. Wednesday total 1920. In that children are 760. What is the remaining? 1160. Okay. We require difference or sum? Difference. 150 minus 60. 90. End with 90. Two options are 17 minus 11. 690. Then answer 690. Next question number 42. The number of children tickets sold on Tuesday is approximately what percent less than the number of adult tickets sold on Thursday? Okay. Children tickets sold on Tuesday. What are the children tickets on Tuesday? 1280. It is compared to which one? Adult tickets on Thursday. Total Thursday tickets 3490. In that 1800 are children. What are the remaining? 1690. Okay. First zeros are cancelled. What is the ratio? 128 is to 169. How much value or difference? 41. Upon which one? 169 multiplied by 100. Okay. We required percentage less or percentage more? Percentage lesser. Okay. 169. 169 is 100%. What is the 50%? 84.5. 25%. 42.5. Then answer is nearby 25%. Which option is nearby 25? 24. It is 25% value or not? What is the 25% value? 42.5. 41 is closer to 42.5 or not? Then percentage also closer to 25%. Next question number 43. On Sunday, the price of one adult ticket was how many rupees? 60. And the total money earned by selling all the tickets was how much? 2,17,000. What was the price of one children ticket on Sunday? Okay. First, total money earned by selling all the tickets is how much? 2,17,000. 2,17,000 is total money of children and adults. Total how many tickets are there? On which day? Sunday. Sunday, what is the total number of tickets? 5250. In that number of children, 2,800. Okay. Children are how much? 2,800. And adults are 5250 minus 2800. What is the remaining? 2450. Okay. 2450 are which one? Adults are. Okay. 2450 are adults. Every adult how many rupees? 60 rupees. Then we are get the 240 into 2450 into 60. We are get the which one amount? Adult amount or adult amount. First 6 into 5 how much? 30. 0 return, 3 carrier. And 6 24 how much? 144 plus 3 means 147. It is 245 into 6, 1470. How many zeros are extra? 2 zeros are. Out of 2,17,000, adults value is how much? 1,47,000. What is the remaining amount? 70,000. That 70,000 is received from which one? Children are. What is the number of children? 2,800. Number of children are how much? 2,800. Suppose every person ticket we are consider some rupees are. That is equal to how many rupees? 70,000 are. Both sides zeros are cancelled. 14 twos are 14 how many times? 50 times are. Then something equal to how much? 25. Every children ticket is how many rupees? 25. Next question number 44. What is the average number of children tickets sold on Saturday, Monday and Wednesday? Saturday value. Children. What is the number of children on Saturday? 1950. Monday 1460. Wednesday 760. First 19 plus 14. 33 plus 7. 40 means 4000. 50 plus 60. 110 plus 60. 170. Total it is 4170. Average means divide by 300. 3 how many times? 1, 3, 900. 1390. Which option? Third option. Next question number 45. The number of children tickets sold on Thursday and Sunday together is what percent of the number of tickets of both children and adults sold on Tuesday or not? First, children tickets on Thursday. Children tickets on Thursday is how much? 1800. Sunday 2800. Total it is 4600. Is what percent of number of tickets of Tuesday? What is the Tuesday total tickets? 2500. 4600 is what percent of 2500? Multiplied by 100 we are get the percentage. 2 zeros cancel. 25 how many times? 4 times or not? Then answer 184. 61. 61 to 65. Data related to the number of students enrolled for a vocational courses in two institutes A and B during how many years? 5 years. And 2019, what is the A value? 170 and B value 240. So on are given. What is the first question? In 2019, 65% of the students enrolled in institute B were males. If the respective ratio is the number of male students enrolled in institute A and B together, A and B in 2019 was 3:4. And what was the number of male students enrolled in institute A in the same year or different year? Same year. First 19 B, out of the total students 65% are which one? Male value. 19 B how much value? 240. In that how much percent? 65%. 65% of 240 are male members in B or not? That is represents how many parts? 4 parts or not? Divide by 4 we are get the 1 part or not? But we required male students in institute A or not? How many parts we need? 3 parts or not? Okay. First verify the 3 multiple. First option 3 multiple. Second option also 3 option. More than 1 option or not? 4 how many times? 6, 0. Okay. 65% of 60 into 3 or not? Okay. What the 65% of 60 means it is 39. 39 3 is how much? 117. 117. 65 means we return 65 by 100 into 60 means it is 3 by 500. 5 how many times? 13. 13 3s are 3900. 39 into 3, 117. Next 62. What is more than one option or not? First option 3 multiple, second option 3 multiple, fourth option 3 multiple, fifth option also 3 multiple, third option also 3 multiple or not? 65, 13 multiple, only one option. Next 62. What is the difference between the average number of students enrolled in Institute A in 2019 and 2020 and that in Institute B in 2021 and 2022? A in which one? 2019 and 20. What is the A value? 170, 20, 270. Total it is 440. Next B in 2021, 160 and 2022, 200. Total it is 360. What is the difference? 80. Average means divide by 200. How much? 40. Next 63. The number of students enrolled in Institute A in 2021 is what percentage of the enrolled in Institute B in the same year? A in 2021, how much? 90. And B in same year, 160 or not? Then we are getting 9 by 16 into 100 or not? Already we know 1 by 16. Okay, just 1 minute. 9 by 16 means we return 8 by 16 plus 1 by 16 or not? 8 by 16 means half or not? Half means how much percent? 50%. Again 1 by 16, 6.25. Total it is 56.25% or not? 56.25. Next question number 64. If the number of enrolled students in Institute A in 2023 is 25% less than the in 2024, how many students were enrolled in Institute A in 2024? 2023 value compared to 2024 value 25% lesser. What is the A in 2023? 330 or not? That 330 is 25% less in 2024 or not? Suppose 2024 are 100%, then 2023 are 75% or not? Okay. What is the ratio? 4:3 or not? What is the 3 parts value? 330. 1 part value 110. Then 4 parts are 440 or not? Next question number 65. Number of students enrolled in Institute B is decreased by what percent from 2020 to 2023 or not? Okay. And here B 2020 how much? 360. 2023 210 or not? What is the ratio? 12:7 or not? 12:7. How many parts are decreased? 5 parts. 5 upon 12 or not? Okay. 5 by 12. 5 by 12 into 100. 5 by 12 means we return 4 by 12 plus 1 by 12 or not? 4 by 12 means 1 by 3 or not? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means how much percent? 33 1 by 3% or not? Again we required 1 by 12 or not? 1 by 12 means 8 1 by 3% or not? Total 41 2 by 3% or not? Next question number 66. Already completed. Next arithmetic questions. 46. There are 7 red balls and 5 yellow balls in a bag. 3 balls are simultaneously drawn at random. What is the probability that 2 balls are red and 1 ball is yellow in color? Okay. First, total how many balls are there? 12. In that how many balls are picked? 3 balls. Then we return 12 C3 or in that 3 balls 2 are red. How many red balls are there? 7. Then we return 7 C2 and 1 will be yellow. How many yellow balls are there? 5. Then we return 5 C1 or 7 C2 into 5 C1. 7 C2 means we return 7 into 6 by 1 into 2 means 21 or 21 into 5. Denominator 12C3 means 12 into 11 into 10 by 1 into 2 into 3. It will be into 6 or not? Okay. Numerator 21 or not? It is 7 multiple. There is no cancellation value in denominator or not? Then answer will be, numerator will be 7 multiple or not? How many options? Only one or not? Next question number 47. Cost price of article B is 250 more than the which one? Cost price of article A. And article A was sold at 30% profit and article B was sold at 20% loss. If the selling price of both the articles are equal or different? Equal. And what will be the selling price of article A if it is sold at 30% loss? Before solving the question, 30% loss means selling price is 70%. Then answer must be multiple of 7. First option 7 multiple. Yes, sir. Second option also 7 multiple. More than one option or not? Take the general procedure or not? Cost price of article A we are consider 100% or not? 100%. Cost price of article B 100% plus 250 or not? Okay. First one is sold at how much percent or profit? 30% profit. 30% profit means selling price is 130% of which one? 100%. Second one is sold at 20% loss. Selling price is 80% of which one? 100% plus 250 or not? Both are in equal selling prices or not? Okay. And both sides zeros are cancelled or not? 13% of 100, 13. 8% of 100, 8. Difference is 5% or not? Next 8% of which one? 250 or not? 8% of 250 means it is 20 or not? 8% of 250, 20. 5% 20 means what is the 100% value? Wait. We required selling price or not? How much percent we need? 70% or not? How many times it is? 4 times or not? 74 the 280 or not? If we required cost price, we required how much percent? 100%. But here we required again selling price or not? How much percent we need? 70% or not? What is the 5% value? 20. Then 70% value? 280 or not? First we need to identify cost price. How much percent we are getting? 100%. 100% how much? 400. In that 30% loss means 120 are subtracting or not? Or directly we are calculating how much percent? 70% or not? Next question number 48. The interest earned on rate P when invested for 4 years at R% per annum simple interest is 3/5 of the interest earned on P plus 1000 rupees when invested for how many years? 5 years. For R% per annum simple interest. What is the value of P? Both the cases rate of percent are same or different? Same. First case how many years? 4 years. What is the interest value? 4R% of P or not? It is interest on first part or not? Next second case how many years? 5 years. Rate of percent R%. Then we are getting 5R% of P or not? P plus, what is the second case principal? P plus 1000 or not? What is the left hand side value? Interest on first case. What is the right hand side value? Interest on second case. But interest on first case is 3/5 of the interest on second part or not? Means 4R% of P, it is equal to 3/5 of interest on second part or not? Okay. Both sides any cancellations? 5 cancel. Next it is 4R% of principal. 4R% of principal. This is 3R% of principal. And one more R% also cancel because it is written as 3R% or not? 3R% of principal or not? R also cancel or not? What is the remaining value? 4P. It is equal to 3P plus 3000 or not? What is the P value? 1000. Sorry, P value 3000. 4P and 3P difference are P. P equal to how much? 3000. Next question number 49. The perimeter of a square is twice that of which one? rectangle. Perimeter of a square means 4a. That 4a equal to twice of which one? Rectangle perimeter. The respective ratio between the side of a square and the breadth of the rectangle is how much? 3:1. What is the respective ratio between the area of a square and the area of a rectangle? Before solving the question, side of a square is how many parts? 3 parts. What is the area of a square? 3 square. Means 9 parts square or not? Means first value must be 9 multiple or not? How many options? 2 options or not? If it is only one option, that is the answer or not? But here how many options? 2 options. First, perimeter of a square means written 4a. It is twice of which one? Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the rectangle perimeter? 2 of L plus B. Twice means 4 into L plus B or not? Both sides 4 cancel or not? A equal to L plus B or not? And one more, the ratio between the side of a square. Side of a square, A means how many parts? 3 parts. Breadth of the rectangle is how many parts? 1 part. Breadth is 1 part. Then obviously length is 2 parts. Because 3 parts equal to L plus B means B value 1 part. Then L is how many parts? 2 parts. What is the question here? Area of a square and area of a rectangle. Area of a square means 9 parts square. Next, area of a rectangle means 2 parts into 1 part. Means 2 parts square. Then both sides part square cancel. What is the answer? 9:2. Area of a rectangle means L into B or L plus B? L into B. Next question number 50. In an organization, 25% of the total number of employees are which one? Females, and the rest are males. If 20% of the number of female employees and 12% of male employees are MBS, if the total number of MBS in the organization is how much? 168. How many employees work in the organization? First, females are how much percent? 25%. In that, how much percent are MBA? 20%. What is the 20% of 25%? 5%. Okay. Next, females are 25% means males are how much? 75. Out of 75, how much percent are MBA? 12%. What is the 12% of 75? 9%. Actually 75 means 3 by 4. 4 how many times? 3 times. 3 3s are 9. 5 plus 9 how much? 14%. In place of 14%, how many members are given? 168. 14% are 168. But we require total employees or not? Total means how much percent? 100%. 14 almost 12 times or not? Then answer 1200 or not? Next question number 51. In a bag there are 12 red balls and 4 green balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability that at least one of the ball drawn is green? We require positive statement or negative statement? Positive are required. At least one green means we required positive. Then if we required positive value, then we return total probability minus negative. We are get the which one? Positive or not? Probability of an event plus probability of not an event, it is equal to which one? 1 or not? Okay. Probability of an event plus probability of not an event, it is equal to how much? 1. If we required probability of an event, then we return total probability minus probability of not an event or not. Okay. And here we required at least one is green means, then we are taken total probability minus other than the green or not? Other than the green. Other than the green means how many green balls are there? 4. Then we return 4C2 by total how many balls? 12 plus 4, 16. 4C2 by 16C2. It is which one? Other than the green. But we required at least green. Then we return total probability minus other than the green. Sorry. At least green or not? Then we return total probability minus other than the green. Other than the green means 12. Then we return 12C2 by 16C2 or not? 12C2 by 16C2. Total probability minus other than the green. Suppose if required at least red means total probability minus 4C2 by 16C2 or not. 12C2 means we return 12 into 11 by 16C2 means 16 into 15 or not. Okay. 4 3s are 4 times or not. 3 how many times? 5 times. It is 11 by 20 or not. 1 minus 11 by 20, 9 by 20 or not. Which option? Fifth option. Next question number 52. A is twice as efficient as which one? B. A started working and after 6 days he was replaced by which one? B. B then worked for how many days? 9 days and he also left. If A and B together finished 70% total work, in how many days B alone can finish the whole work? First of all, A efficiency compared to B efficiency twice or triple? Twice. Suppose A efficiency 2 parts, B efficiency 1 part. A efficiency 2, B efficiency 1 part. A is working how many days? 6 days. 6 into 2 or not? It is which one work? A work. And B is how many days are working? 9 days. 9 into 1 or not? It is which one work? B work. Both are adding, it is completed work or not? How much percent are completed? 70%. Divide by 70, we are get the 1% work or not? Okay. Multiplied by 100, we are get the total work or not? Yes or no? It is total work or remaining work? Total work. The same total work is completed by which one? B alone or not? What is the B efficiency? 1 or not? Divide by 1 or not? 6 into 2, 12. 9 into 1, 9. Total 21. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. 7 how many times? 21. 3 times. 3 into 10. 30 or not? How many days? 30 days or not? Suppose if required A alone, denominator we return 2 or not? Then answer 15 days or not? Next question number 53. Rishi invested P rupees for how many years? 2 years in scheme A, which offered 20% per annum compound interest compounded annually. He lent the interest earned from scheme A to Sini at the rate of 18.5% per annum simple interest. If at the end of the 2 years, Sini gave 4521 to Rishi and thereby repaid the whole amount, actual loan plus interest, what is the value of P or not? What is the value of P? First 2 years, compound interest or simple interest? Compound interest. What is the rate of percent? 20%. How many years? 2 years. 20% for 2 years. What is the compound interest? 44% of principal or not? It is interest received from first scheme or second scheme? First scheme. But in second time, he lent the interest earned from scheme A to which one? Sini. Means interest from first one, it is also equal to principal of second one or not? Means second case principal is 44% of which one? P or not? Again, second case, what is the rate of percent? 18.5. Time is given 2 years. How much simple interest are getting? 37%. Interest 37%. Then amount 137% or not? Interest 37, principal already 100%. Then amount will be 137%. Then we return 137% of 44% of principal or not? Okay. And it is also equal to how many rupees? 4521. Equal to how much? 4521. Solving this one, we are get the P value or not? Okay. 44 11 multiple, 4521 also 11 multiple. 11 how many times? 4 times. 11 how many times? 4 times. 1 or not? Okay. 137 almost 3 times. 3 times or not? Percent means how many zeros? 4 zeros or not? 4 zeros means 10,000 or not? 4 how many times 10,000? 2,500 or not? 2,500 into 3. Principal equal to how much? 7,500. Next 55. Shiv gave 20% of his monthly salary to which one? Mother. Means mother how much percent are received? 20% or not? What is the remaining? 80%. From the remaining salary, he paid 16% towards rent and 34% aside for his monthly expenses. 16 plus 34, 50. What is the remaining? 80%. Out of 80, 50% completed not. Means 50% of 80% completed not. What is the remaining? 40%. 50% of 80, 40. Out of 80, 40 complete means remaining also 40. And the remaining amount he kept in which one? Bank account. Means bank account is how many rupees? 40% or not? And what is the question here? The sum of the amount he kept in bank and that she gave to his mother. Means 40 plus 20 or not? How much percent? 60%. 60% is how much? 45,000. But we required monthly salary. How much percent we need? 100% or not? 3 times 5 times or not? 3 how many times? 15. 15 5s are 75. What is the answer? 75,000. Next question number 55. A started a business by investing how much? 35,000. At the end of the 7th month from the start of the business, B joined with 24,000. And at the end of the 9th month from the start of the business, C joined with 30,000. If B share in the profit at the end of the year, means total time period is how much? 12 months or not? Okay. What is the A investment? 35. B investment 24. C investment 30. A invested for how many months? 12 months. But B will be joined after 7 months. Then his capital are used for 5 months. C will be joined after 9 months. Then his capital are used for 3 months or not? Okay. And 35, 24, 30. 5 ones are 5 how many times? 7. 5 how many times? 6. 6 ones are 6 fours are 6 twos are 7 twos are 14 and 4 3 are. In place of 4 parts, how much value are given? 4480 or not? But we require total or not? Total means how many parts? 21 parts or not? Okay. 4 how many times? 1120. 1120 into 21. End with 20 or not? How many options? Only one or not? End with 20. 21 into which one? 1120 or not? End with 20. How many options? Only one. All questions are completed. Thank you.